X, ito na naman po tayo. Ano naman ang nangyari sa ating paaralan? Siguro nangamuti na naman tayo Huwag kayong mag-alala, sagot ko kayo. Ako ang bahala sa inyo. Ang pag-aaralan po natin ngayon ay tungkol sa factoring polynomials in 4 easy ways. Now consider natin itong example. I have example number 1. Okay, we have 3x squared, 3x squared plus 5x plus 2. Unang solution natin, we have first to find out the value of A, which is equals to 3, the value of B equals to 5, at the value of C is equals to 2. Now, isa sa hakbang natin, unang dapat na gawin ay we have to multiply A and C, and that is equals to A times C, or that the value of A is equals to 3, the value of C is equals to 2. If we multiply that would be equals to 6. Pagkatapos po natin gawin yan, we have to regroup the number. So kung mapapansin natin kanina, we have 3x squared, inupya ko yun. Then I have 2, the last term, that is equals to 2. Then yung A and C, I have to drop down, which is the factor of 6. So that is equivalent, if we add these two factors, that is equals to 3 plus 2, that is equals to 5. And that would be our middle term. Now, pagkatapos po natin makuha yung number, kasunod po natin gagawin is to regroup the expressions. Hahatiin natin sila sa gitna. Una, first group, yung parehas may 3. Second group, yung kabila naman. Okay. Pero kung titingnan natin yung regrouping natin, meron silang common factors sa isa't isa. Yung nasa kabila, yung 3x squared plus 3x, meron silang common na whole number na 3 at saka x. Dito naman sa kabila, ang common factor nila is only 2. Walang x kasi sa kabila. Now, para makuha po natin ang kanilang factor, we'll regroup this. So we have now to find the common factor of this group. Ang kanilang common factor is 3x. Nasa labas po yun. Ibig sabihin nun, if we multiply 3 times x, that is equals to 3x squared. Then 3 times 1, that is equals to 3x. So, check po yung ating factor. Sa kabila naman, ang ating common factor is only 2. Wala kasing x sa kabila. Kaya ang ilalabas lamang po natin, tandaan yung common o yung meron silang dalawa na magkaparehas. And that is equals to 2. At kung mapapansin natin, ang ating sagot ay yung result sa first group at saka second group, nagkaroon ng magkaparehas na result. That is equals to x plus 1. So pagsasamahin natin sila as one factor. At ito po yun, our second factor. Yung nasa labas ng parenthesis na 3x plus 2, that is your first factor. Therefore, ang ating final answer now is 3x plus 2 and x plus 1 is your final factor. Now, for solution number 2, I have again the example that we have earlier. We're going to find out for the factors of 3x squared plus 5x plus 2. So our solution number 2, of course, we have also to find for the value of your A, your B, and your C. Then multiply A times C, that is equals to 6. I have to rewrite the original problem, which is equals to 3x squared plus 5x plus 2. Then, dito sa part na to, kaya nakakulay blue yung ating first term, kasi kukuhanin natin ang kanyang possible factors, or we have to double the first term. Ibig sabihin nun, itong term lang na to ay paghihiwalayin natin. We have to double this. So, I have to copy 3x. Then, since dalawa yung x niya, nandito rin yung isa. So, we have another 3x. Then, yung akin pong A at saka C, yun ang aking maging partner ng bawat isang number. So, we have A, which is equals to 3. And C, it is equals to 2. Next is I have to divide the first factor of my expressions, which is equals to 3x plus 3 divided by 3. If we divide this by 3, ang matitira na lamang po is x. If we divide this by 3, ang matitira na lamang po is 1. Ibig sabihin nun, we come up with a factor, which is the first factor, na kung saan that is equivalent to x plus 1. At i-drop down na lang natin yung second term, which is now our second factor. So yun po yung atin pong final answer, di ba? Ang dali-dali lang, may sagot ka agad. Next. Solution number 3. Same problem. We're going to factor 3x squared plus 5x plus 2. Of course, we're going also to multiply a times c, that is equals to 3 times 2, which is equivalent to 6. Pagkatapos po natin gawin yan, siyempre kukuhanin natin yung atin pong original problem na 3x squared plus 5x plus 2. In short, dito sa part na to, atin pong gagawin, we're going to multiply the first term of our original problem, the first numerical number, ito yon 3, multiplied by the last term. So that is equivalent to 3 times 2, that is equals to 6. Then after na multiply po natin, kaya nandito sila kanina. After we have multiplied that number, kukopyahin natin yung merong mga numerical value, which is equals to x squared, ito yon plus sign. Then we have also to copy 5x. Okay. Kaso meron ako dito inilagay na number na possible factor ng 6. We have 6 plus 1, or 6 times 1 is also equals to 6. And 6 plus 1 is equals to 7. Hindi pwede. Why? Titingnan kasi natin dito. Remember, na kukuhanin kasi natin ang factor dito, original factor. So, ang factor ng x is equals to x. And the factor of x squared is x times x. And the factor of 6, kung mapapansin natin, kung anong minumultiply natin, yun din ang kanyang second possible factor. So we have 3 times 2. Yun din ang ilalagay natin as our possible factor. So hindi natin mag-iisip. Eh bakit nga ba hindi po 6 times 1 instead na 3 times 2? Di po ba ito is 3 times 2 is 6 pa rin naman? And 6 times 1 is also 6. Ang pagkakaiba nila kasi when we add 3 plus 2, that is equals to 5. Kaya lang, pag inad natin yung 6 plus 1, that is equals to 7. And therefore, hindi pwede kasi ang middle term natin, 5, not 7. Kaya yun yung dahilan kung bakit hindi po yung 6 times 1 ang gagamitin natin for factorization. Now, to find now for your final answer, we have now, we're going to divide the first term by the first term. The next number, which is equals to 3 by 3. That is equals to 3 divided by 3, that is equals to 1. And we multiply this 3 times x, that is equals to 3x. So our final answer is equivalent to x plus 1 and 3x plus 2. Your final answer. So ayan po mga ka-problematics, pangatlo na po yun. Meron pa tayong pang-apat, the last one. Ang tawag ko po dito is box terms. So I have also to find for the original number, original problem, we're going to factor 3x squared plus 5x plus 2. Ang una nating gagawin, we have to write our terms inside the box. That is equals to 3x squared, 5x, and 2. Then, kung ilan po yung ating terms, yun din po yung ating possible number of boxes. So I have 3 by 3 box. So 3x squared, ang factor po nito is 3x and 1x. Ibig sabihin nun, if we're going to multiply 3 times 1, that is equals to 3. X times x, that is equals to x squared. Then we're also going to find out for the last term, the factor of the last term, which is equals to 2. And that is equals to 2 times 1 equals to 2. Now, to find for the middle term, we have to check. We're going to multiply each factor by diagonal method. We have 1 times 3, that is equals to 1 times 3x, that is equals to 3x, and 1 times 2x, that is equals to 2x. Kung mapapansin natin, if we add these two results, 2 plus 3 that is equals to 5x. Kaya po, ang ating magiging factor na po ngayon na ito, we have 3, the result of the factor, plus 2, ito yon, our first factor, and 1x plus 1 is our second factor, or x plus 1 is the second factor. So that is our final answers. Ngayon, bakit tayo nahihirapan ng factor ng isang number? Madali lang, kinakailangan lang po natin ng tiyaga. Maraming salamat. Bye-bye!